Welcome. Message from the streets. Today's topic, we're going to deal with Israel and Hamas and the climate over in Palestine. And to be truthful, ladies and gentlemen, when everything first hit the fan, I was like, most definitely neutral. I'm still neutral, but I have seen some footage that is very disturbing and got some information that's very disturbing as well, as far as what is allegedly instigated and sparked um, this battle over there. And it was like that, that Hamas set up, hit Israel or parts of Israel or the particular suburbs and areas within the Gaza Strip, on the outside of the Gaza Strip, within the Gaza Strip, and some horrific acts took place, murdering people, families, just people was kidnapped. Allegedly, they was, taken advantage of sexually. This is from, saying this is a part of the attack that took place, the initial attack. But the response to the attack is vicious. And, I seen buildings laid down, blocks laid down. It is rubble over there in the area of those living in the Gaza Strip that are associated with, Islam. I'd say people been, they've been terrorized in a sense. And that comes to the major point of what I'm about to expound on, is that if this is what they say it is and how it went down, how they say it went down, Hamas has made a great mistake. Because if you make an attack like this, you have to look forward like a chess game. And evidently they didn't, because the Israeli president said that there's going to be a new area over there, as far as the way that it used to be, that it's not going to be like that no more. He's going to decimate the people, the area. They're going to extinguish. They're going to eliminate the presence of Islamic people that have Islamic ideology that's associated with, that area over there. And, and it's kind of like the justification of it is, y'all killed our women, y'all killed our children, y'all blew up our, you blew up areas, you caused havoc, and now this is the repercussion of what you have done. So now we got to look at, is this what it is, or what it seemed to be? Because looking at it from the outside in, we say, dang, man, Hamas, they moved on those people and they did a horrific thing. But my thing is, were they allowed to do it? How did they do it? They said Israel got one of the top intelligence agencies in the world. They had one of the top Air Force, Air Force combatants in the world. So how did this group of people infiltrate the borders with this intelligence and things going on, unless Israel allowed them to do it? Because we know how these governments work on the planet. They will sacrifice the little people to get to the ends of their means. I'm not saying this is what happened. This is what I'm thinking, that is a quantum possibility that they allowed them to happen so they can move over there and get the Palestinian Islamic believers out of that area once and for all, and take total control over Gaza. And I think that the Hamas, if they are the ones that's actually behind it, because we know that sometimes we got the front man, then we got the puppet master. If they are actually behind it, they fell right into the trap for those who practice Islam to be eradicated and ostracized from that area. This is just my point of view. I don't have a dog in a fight. I'm a sympathetic for families. I'm sympathetic most definitely for children and the loss of life in senseless battles. And I'm just going to end this with this, is that we got Ishmael and Isaac. They brothers, even though they don't got the same mother. They brothers, and their alleged descendants are fighting. And remember what I said, alleged descendants, because I cannot say for sure that the so-called Israelites or the so-called Jews, Ashkenazis, are the true people that are allegedly related to the bloodline of Isaac. And I can't say that those individuals over there claiming this Islamic perspective are the true people of Ishmael, descendants, bloodline, any of that. I'm just saying, what they got on the front page for us to look at it and make analysis from it. It's a family feud, just like when the Caucasians be fighting, German, not Europe, Britain and France and all that. They call that a world war, but it's a family war. Now they talking about World War III. Now this World War III start being initiated by two families as well. That's what they make us to believe when you meticulously look at this stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, just a point of view. Thanks for the comments. Have a great day on purpose. And remember, all jihads and all wars start within us, within our minds and in our hearts, and how we look and interact with other inhabitants on this plane manifested physical oneness.